Hello everyone. Learn how to share response in Google Form. It is a very straightforward process. Even I have mentioned how you can do that. So open your Google Form and here you will find your reset forms at the bottom and you just need to open that. And once your form is opened, at the very top you have this responses, and here you just need to click on that. I just created this form and I do not have responses. However, if you have the responses, you will have all the list here, and I have mentioned the steps. Click the Google Sheet icon, click share in your Google Sheet, add who want to share Google Forms responses with, and then you can send your Google Form responses. So you can share like this. Please hit the like and subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Have a wonderful day.